This is the mess that happens in the morning, and I have to organize it all to fit inside the tent, or to fit inside the bike. Also, it looks a little bit like it might be, actually it doesn't look too bad. Oh, hey, look, the sun. Alright, everything's all packed up here. Got everything in its proper place. I've got some clothes hanging out over the bag. Hopefully it doesn't rain on them. Slash raincoat, just in case. Plus it was a little bit cold this morning. It's about 53, I think, Fahrenheit. No wind, super long straightaway, cool temperatures. It's everything I hoped and dreamed. As usual, I met more nice people today. I got some energy drinks. The first guy was a young guy. He didn't tell me his name, with 2 kids and family. He gave me an energy drink, another one. And then the second guy gave me this energy drink, a frozen Kit Kat bar, which was amazing, potato chips, and some nuts. And that was Vitali. Thank you, Vitali. Thank you, first fella. Thank you, Vitali's wife. You guys ready for this beautiful sound? Oh yeah. Cheers. 3 languages. I don't know why it says branch. Looks like we got a cute, quaint little town here. In order to make my fingers not go numb, I was told to move them around a bit. Don't hold on so tight. Move my grips. Oh yeah, they're little ducks. Look at the big one. Some horses and a graveyard. Is it just me, or does this look like the gargoyle from Ghostbusters? Does this thing come alive? Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi, puppy! Come here, puppies! My little puppies! Hi, little puppies! Oh, hi, puppies! Did you guys get here? Are we friends? Are we friends? Yeah, are we friends? Oh yes, look at the puppies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good puppy. Seems like they like it. Maybe they want some kalbasa as well. What else do they got here? Do you think they want a little bit of Jameson? They'll definitely like some kalbasa, I think. They can smell the kalbasa. Black puppy. There you go. There you go, buddy. So for, hey! That one's his. Okay, everyone gets their own. You guys want some more? Okay. There you go. You guys like my big knife? Oh, don't. Make sure you chew it, dude. want more? I seem to want more. They didn't love the peanut butter. Maybe much like Kazakh people, they're not as huge fans. We got a little one sneaking in here from below. Everyone gets a turn. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Oh yeah, good boy. Just don't look back, Michael. Just don't look back. Another cemetery graveyard area there. A nice long straightaway there. You see that, baby? I'm shocked at my own craziness of deciding to bike down Kazakhstan. I'm just like, wait, what am I doing? It's 1 o'clock. I am 2 plus 67 miles in for the day. 8 hours of biking left in me. My butt hurts like crazy. I've added a little cushion. You see that? Got a cute little cow crossing happening right there. On your head, on your mouth there, buddy. What is that? Something stuck in his nose? Kuda? I zastanie. Nosami sasha. Да. Вама ту. Спасибо. Cute little cows. Couldn't help myself. I know, 2 energy drinks when I don't drink energy drinks normally. But I'm pretty sure I'm burning through the energy, so that's fine. Alright, say hello to my new seat. We've got the little padding thing that I normally sit on, covered by my thermals, and tied in place by some little bungee cords. Can y'all see it now? You see the rainbow there? Guys, I hit 100 kilometers today. I started at 70 or at 85. Now I'm at 185. Wow, those hills were nuts. For the last like 20 minutes, I've just been going like 20 to 35 kilometers an hour down hill after hill after hill. So I'm about 3 or so kilometers away from hitting 100 miles, not kilometers, 100 miles. A little after 8 o'clock. It's been a good day, a long day. Can't believe I did 160 kilometers. I'll be at Bektaata tomorrow. Met a lot of nice people today. Do you see that I'm on the pretty road while everyone else is roughing it on that shitty dirt road there, and on the normal road, and then they have to go off the dirt road. Once this hits 246 or so, I'll be at 100 miles. Badger, it's a badger. Badger, it's a badger. See him? What a cute little guy. What a cute little guy, he's running. Look at him go. Look at him go. Can he make it all the way? This is my beautiful evening view. As usual, we got the moon up there on the left, sun setting on the right. We got the pink hues starting to happen on the clouds there. Now for our 100-mile festivities, ice cream. I also got some potato pierogi, which I already started. You know, if you want to take ice cream out camping, what you do is you wrap it up securely in your sleeping bag and it will stay cool a lot longer. Now, of course, that's not as good as a freezer, but it's pretty good. Now that I've fattened up the puppies, time to eat them.